Hello everyone. As we know that the deep and narrow palate is very big challenge for the MSE placement. And those patients actually, they need the MSE more than the other patient because they have very narrow maxilla. So for these cases, to fit the MSE in that small space that we have to trim the sides of the bars of the MSE to fit in that small space. But actually, trimming those parts are going to limit our trans quantity, and thus the expanding amount will be limited. Then, for those cases, usually we have to remove the MSE completely, remove the screws, and insert another one. But it is very annoying for most of patients, and most of patients don't agree that those patients need more expanding, more nasal airways volume, and wider maxilla to correct the bite and align the teeth. That's why I have created this design to expand on without removing the MSC screws. So let's go to the steps.
After we expand completely, this middle part will come out, the two bars and the middle screw. So my idea is to insert a new Hyrax expander, normal Hyrax expander, in this two sides after getting this middle one out. You can see this Hyrax bended in a way so it will fit this holes inside the side bars, as I hope it's clear. So it will be like this, and it will be fit inside the patient mouth. You can see how it will work. It's little, so it's little bit far from the palate. It should be more close, but it's only a demo. Then making the patient expanding as normal. Hyrax. I will share the video once applied in the patient mouth. Thank you so much.
The other idea to prevent the play and the rotation, which could be avoided by using the composite inside the hole with Hyrax. Here I'm using the same bars of the MSE to ensure the full insertion and zero play. So the expansion will be like horizontally completely. Those bars could be trimmed according to the space that we have. And then we expand to ensure that those arms are going inside. Less stocking food with this design comparing with the normal MSE.